Hello children, welcome to Wondercome. Today we will do one colorful activity, a natural indicator. So today we have taken, as you see, this hibiscus flower, colorful hibiscus flower, and we will extract the indicator from the petals of these flowers. So I have taken a hot water in a bowl and then I put the petals of this hibiscus flower, and then now I will just keep it for some 5 to 10 minutes as it is. See, the indicator is ready now. I have to just filter it and I have to extract the decolorized petals and I will get the indicator. So this is the indicator extract which I get or extracted from the hibiscus flowers, and we will start our activity by using this natural indicator for different acids and bases, and also I prepared some neutral solutions, so we will just taste this indicator now. Start the activity. I have taken so many this liquid. I'll just tell you what I have taken. So this is A1, A2. So in this A1 and A2 two acids I have taken, and B1, B2 two bases I have taken, and N1, N2 two neutral solutions I have taken. I will tell you one by one which acids I have taken or bases. Okay, let me start. So this is, as I told you, this is our indicator that I have taken. So we extracted, and I told you how to extract this one. So see how colorful the indicator is. So we'll start our experiment now. So this A1, I have taken vinegar, or this is vinegar solution. So to that I am adding, see, and then this is the A2. I have taken lemon juice in water. So this is a lemon solution. So in this B1, I have taken soap or detergent, this solution. So third one is fabric whitener. See how the change color of the indicator is changing. And this N1, I have taken sugar solution, and N2, this is salt solution. So I am adding little more this indicator just to let you know. So see the indicator color. This is the color of the indicator. Okay, so after adding, see, so the color of indicator changes in case of acids to pinkish red color, and in this, see, green color in case of this base. Okay, so and these are neutral solutions, because neutral solution there is no change in the color of the indicator, they remain as it is. Before adding indicator, all solutions were colorless. So after adding, see how we can distinguish now. So before adding indicator, we couldn't know which solution means which one is acid or which one is base or even neutral. But after adding indicator, we came to know that these are the neutral solutions, and there is no change in the color of the indicator, but base becomes the color of the indicator becomes green, whereas in case of acid the color of the indicator changes to pink or reddish pink color. So this is how it is, means we can distinguish the acids or bases or neutral solution by using indicator. So thanks for watching this colorful activity of acids and bases.